Hello, dear subscribers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to learn how to prepare 3 types of layered flatbread patir. Ingredients needed. For the dough: water, milk, egg, salt to taste, flour. Mix the water, milk, egg, and salt in a bowl. Then add flour and knead a soft dough. Let the dough rest for a while. After resting, roll it out and spread melted butter on top. For the filling: onion, green onion. Finely chop both the onion and green onion. Spices to taste. 1 classic layered patir. Spread melted butter over the dough. Roll it up as shown in the video. And prick the top with a fork. Bake in the oven at 180-200 degrees Celsius, 356-390 degrees Fahrenheit. 2 layered patir with onion. Sprinkle chopped onion over. Roll it up as shown and bake at 180-200. 3 layered patir with green onion. Roll out the dough, sprinkle green onion and a bit of fresh. Roll it up as shown in the video and bake it in the oven at 180-200 degrees. If you like the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a like.